Hello and welcome to part 2 of my sound tutorial, and I'm very sorry for the inefficiency of these two sound tutorials because for some reason I rewatched my last video and the sound wasn't playing. So there won't be too much interest in this tutorial. I guess I'm just gonna plainly teach you commands without showing you the example. So yeah. So here we have our previous code, very simple. And yeah, so in this tutorial I will teach you how to control the pan of your sound, the pitch of your sound, and the volume of your sound. So let's start. Let's start with the most simple thing, probably sound volume. And let's just put sound volume bomb, and the highest value is 1, and any fractional value decreases the volume on that amount. So let's just say we want it half the amount of our original volume. 1 is our regular and full volume. So now we set the sound volume of bomb to our regular volume. Let's just set it to half of it. And yeah, really right now we're using it in a simple form. Really, if we wanted to integrate this in our physics, for instance, if we could create a Doppler effect when an object is moving toward us, when it's far away and it's moving toward us. As it comes closer to us, the volume slowly increases, and then it just goes away, kind of just creating a Doppler effect. And here we just have sound pan, and as you can guess, hence the name, it pans our sound. -1 is the right speaker, and -1 is the left speaker, and 1 is the right speaker. And if you have a laptop, then you will just hear it come out of the right part of your speaker. So or left, obviously. So let's just move our sound, pan it to the right part of our speaker. And of course, we have the sound pitch command, which just regulates the pitch of our current sound, which in this case is so, and the pitch in the Blitz3D is measured in hertz or Hz. And now let's just set it to 20,000 Hz or 2000 Hz. Let's just do 20,000 hertz. We're setting the pitch of our sound. And yeah, so that was just basically it. 3 simple commands that regulate your sound. And the hard part is, for instance, and when you have the sound pan, you can just make like you have a sphere and it moves to the right part of the screen. The sound, for instance, if we had a constant sound, would come out of the right speaker. And if we move the sphere to the left part of the screen, then the sound comes out of the left speaker. Just try to integrate it with your physics and with your gameplay. That's where the hard part comes. These commands are really simple to understand and are themselves really simple. So thanks for watching, guys, and in the next tutorial it will probably be less boring, but it'll still contain sound. That would be the last of my sound tutorials, and I'll just teach you how to use and control channels in that very last sound tutorial, and then I will move on to animation. So thanks for watching, guys, and see ya.